I think we should run like hell to establishing high standards. Make sure those high standards are publicized in every corner, in every household in Mecklenburg County. That's the first thing, creating very high standards. Because right now, any road will get you there if you don't know where you're going. And I think for us not to have those standards are harmful to public confidence and public education. We are creating something called Measures of Student Learning. They'll take place in January. This is for teachers. What about students? Right now, your competencies for English and math and science are going on this route, and your competencies, measures for student learning, is going on this route. So you got two lanes here, and they don't cross. So what we focused on in January is how do we grade the teacher with measures of student learning. And that'll hit the newspapers and that'll be big news, but they don't cross in terms of what students are learning and what they should be learning. If we don't have that big bright line somewhere that the public can have some level of confidence in, that my child, was able to read and master reading at the appropriate level, is a reader and is prepared to move to the next level, or my child gets to high school in terms of English, is able to communicate effectively, the whole package, meaning writing and listening and reading and speaking. If we don't have that high bar somewhere, we're going to continue to lose the public's confidence in public education. And at some point, you're not going to have the resources. If the public leaves public education, you're not going to have the resources, both direct resources and indirect resources, meaning the votes from the people that vote out there, whether they have children in public schools or not. They're going to be voting about what to do with the community's funds, for example. And if we don't have the community involved or a higher level of community confidence in public schools, it's going to be much, much more difficult to make sure that kids reach that high bar. 29%. The latest Gallup poll, 29% is the level of confidence of the public. It was 73% for the military. And can you imagine the public with the Gallup poll, and polls can go up and down, but over the years, we've lost the public's confidence in public schools. We cannot continue to have the kind of public school system where it's one system. If we continue to lose the confidence in the public school system and you start having two school systems or three school systems, you're back to the 1800s. You're back where we started.